Good morning.
Wait outside.
How do you see the day?
It's a beautiful day.
It's nobody outside. You are normally the first to wake up in the
Usually I'm
city.
the first, yeah. And sometimes I was the last on sleep and the first on wake up.
Yeah.
But
My name is Kostas and I am from Zitsa, a small village in the mountain of Epirus in Greece. Every morning start around 5 o'clock. I'm going in the bakery and start prepare the bread for the day. It's not hard because I like that, so I'm looking for this every day to wake up early and to create. I like baking because it's really creative. It's always that you can create something new, a combination from new flavors and tastes, and you never stop learning because always there are new things that not discovered, just found out and making, and so it's that thing that is daily interesting and make it the life more fun. I think it's the baking is most direct with other arts, because every day I see the result in the people's faces from my creations, and they taste that and they can tell me if it's good or not, and it's very fast the feedback that I take from the people, so that's make it more fun and give you more power to continue and do other things, and yeah, the bakery is my passion. First of all, I would like to say that I like to host travelers, and the last 10 years I host more than 900 people. So that happened 9 years ago to meet my wife now, and was a traveler, and she stopped by, and we keep contact after this stop, and finally she ended to move in Zitsa from America and have a life here with me. And now we have a baby, not babies, she's 2.5. So the family grow up and the life is, yeah, it's better. It's possible to find love everywhere. I don't like the word luck, but I would like to use here a quote that saying, don't looking for love in your life, do what you love and love will come to find you. I was in the bakery, I really enjoy what I do, and one day came Anna and just happened to fall in love with each other and continue. I was member in Couchsurfing since 2007, now is 11 years, and we have hosted more than 900 people. We're not thinking to stop, even when we have the baby, we continue to host people. It's something really important in our life. Always there are new people, new stories, new life moments to share, so they keep us exciting to hosting more and more with Anna. And even our daughter now, she's like the new people that are coming always, and she's really open with that, and we want her to live in the world, to learn about everybody in the world, even though we live in a small village in the mountain, just to have her mind open for different people and different ideas and different travels, and to learn about the world, the real world, not the world from the news and than the TV present and all that. Just because through the travelers, and you can learn from different things in the world, and nobody can say about that. Or I think yes, she can do it. It's something that I believe that is really important for her or for everybody to do a trip, to learn the world. For me, it's most important than study, to go in university and just study and after start to work. I prefer her to travel for some time and to find herself or to find what she's looking for. Or all that trip, they can make the people more strong and more to take care of themselves better and to discover the world and make them, more complete people for the society. The money is not so important for traveling. My experience with all that people that they host, There wasn't the money, the first things that make them to travel. They didn't have a lot of money, just they want to travel. If you want to travel, you can find a way to travel without a lot of money. And right now, with all that platforms, the Couchsurfing and other platforms, the people they can host and open their house for you, make the things simplest and less money than you need. And yeah, it's not about money traveling. Just if you want, you can do it.
The tales we were telling.